Hi, I'm Shelley and Sep is as always behind the camera.
Hi.
Today we're going to finish off our IKEA kitchen. If you haven't seen the other 3 videos, and take a look at them first. We're going to cover up the side panels of this middle unit and the side panel over here. Plus we're going to add the handles to the doors, and then we're going to put in the drawers as well. Now we're going to cover up this half island here. We're going to attach this board using this part of the backing of the cupboards and screw everything into place, very similar to how we did the hanging cabinets. And then to the end, at the end, we're going to put the end piece on and screw everything from inside the cabinets. We're ready now to put the handles on the drawers. We've made here a template. As you can see, it fits just nicely on top of the drawer. It's exactly the same width as the drawer. And here are 2 holes to drill through, so that then the handles are on the same position on every drawer, and then it's just attached and screwed into position. I'm going to say bye-bye for now. We'll show you the finished kitchen at the end of the film. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye-bye.